Good morning, dear children. Today, I would like to discuss about Greenpeace movement in Europe. Greenpeace movement in Europe. This movement, it was the Greenpeace movement. It was started as a protest movement in 1971. In 1971, the movement it was started against the American underwater nuclear test near Alaska. It is against the moment it was started against nuclear underwater test in nearby the Alaska. The Alaska. So then later the non-government volunteers, the self non-government organizations, the volunteers set out in a small ship. Then when the industries those released the nuclear power plants wastages in the Alaska Ocean, the observed some private volunteers. Then later, those were formed a organizations like groups and the volunteers, the non-government volunteers, those set out a small ship, set out a small ship, arranged a small ship to test area to Alaska protest. In this, the ship named is Greenpeace. Actually, the ship named is Greenpeace. So because where the ship named is Greenpeace, eventually it became a name of movement. The name of movement is called the Greenpeace movement. Today it spread. Now, firstly it started with a small groups. Against the environment pollution. Then later today it spread 40 countries. It spread. Today, the Greenpeace movement, it spread 40 countries. The Greenpeace movement again is the group non-government organization. It spread against to the environment pollution. It spread 40 countries with the headquarters. With these 40 countries of group, it's fought for the Greenpeace movement. The 40 countries group headquarters it formed in Holland. Headquarters it formed in Holland. Holland is nothing but the Netherlands. Everybody we know about it. Then it became a firstly it started with a small groups. Then it spread the movement. It spread in 40 countries. Means it became a important international non-government organization. It became a important international non-government organization. It became a non-government organization. Then during the last few decades, scientists discovered the pollution causes a depression of a protection ozone layer in the atmosphere, which is important observed harmful rays of sun due to the pollution. Average temperature of earth has been due to the pollution. Average temperature has been it increasing steadily. This confusing then consists in the melting of solar, the melting of not a solar, the melting of polar ice caps, the North Pole, the South Pole. The melting of polar ice caps, the vast accumulation of water as the ice joins the oceans. Accumulation of water after melting, the ice water it joins with the ocean water level. So automatically the ocean level it will be increase. The water level of oceans and seas will rise up, causing the rises when the automatically the water ocean it rises, the level is rises, it causing the submergence of land over the world like Bangladesh. Some of the countries also it will be damaged when the water it rises of submerges of land over the world like Bangladesh, then like Sri Lanka, like Bangladesh, then like Sri Lanka and India and Indonesia and India and Indonesia and not only these countries like Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and India and Indonesia and Mauritius, where a large number of people live along sea coast. So they will face several problems. They will face several problems like as then not only this one, due to the pollution, the atmosphere, the climate, the temperature also it will be maybe change like a unseasonal rains. Due to the pollution, unseasonal rains also maybe it will happen. Then crop failures. Then the crop failures, and in other words, the global climate also it will change. Other words, the global climate also it will change. The global climate also it will change when the due to the pollution. So this movement has taken up an important and climatic changes across many countries. The climate, many countries. It aims of ensuring, especially it aims at ensuring the ability of the earth to nature life in its diversity. Yes, this is about Greenpeace movement. This is about Greenpeace movement. The volunteers, those fought for, especially for the environment protection. The Greenpeace movement, it was happening in 1917. 1917. The Greenpeace movement, it was happening in Europe in 1917. Especially, it fought against the waste of the water. Adding a nuclear wastages in the ocean water, it's happened in the Alaska. Some private volunteers those had formed a group and those visit in a small ship against this pollution. So the ship name is Greenpeace. Then it was automatically name is came into be like a Greenpeace movement. Then after a small group, for the Greenpeace, for the against to the pollution, for the against to the pollution, it spread the movement. It was spread into a 40 countries. A 40 countries is then formed a headquarters also for these 40 countries. The headquarters it has built in the Holland. Especially this is one of the biggest non-government organization in world. This is also one of the biggest non-government organization in the country, in the world. So, due to the pollution, then the ice caps means the North Pole and our South Pole ice caps, maybe it will melt. Then, if it will be melt, the nearby coastal region countries enter the wall, the nearby coastal region countries, it may be merges in the land over world, causing rise when the water it rises up in the ocean, merges of the land over the wall, like so. Then some countries also it may be suffer due to the problems, several problems like Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, India, and Indonesia, and Mauritius also. And Mauritius. And due to the pollution, the unseasonal crops, unseasonals also, the unseasonal rains also it will form. Then automatically crops will be fail. Then the global climate also will be changed. So because those